South Korea is stepping up its first major initiative to secure one of the most critical materials in modern tech, rare earths. For more, our Jun-han has the details.
The Ministry of Trade, Industry and Resources unveiled on Thursday the country's first comprehensive rare earth supply chain strategy. The roadmap comes as part of an effort to enhance the country's energy capability by reducing its heavy dependence on imports, especially from China. Rare earths power everything from electric vehicle motors and high-performance magnets to semiconductors and defense systems, which are crucial components for modern technology. Yet, global powerhouses are concerned because China controls roughly 60 to 70% of global mining, 85 to 90% of refining, and over 80% of finished products such as permanent magnets. For a high-tech powerhouse like Korea, specializing in electric vehicles, batteries, and chips, not being able to secure rare earth minerals is a major vulnerability. The government's rare earth supply chain projects include the three major pillars of short-term stability, source diversification and share risks, and, lastly, local substitution. For short-term stability, the government will strengthen its cooperation with all sources, designate all 17 rare earths as critical elements, and create new detailed trade codes so it can track supplies much more accurately. Regarding the diversification of sources and shared risk, overseas project financing will see major increases from last year's 39 billion Korean won to 67.5 billion won in 2026, or around $46 million. The government will cover up to 70% of loans from last year's 50%, and if exploration fails, companies will only lose 10% of their investment instead of 20%. The Korea Mine Rehabilitation and Mineral Resources Corporation is coming back after years of being banned from direct overseas investment. The corporation will now lead high-risk projects, so private companies don't have to carry the political risk alone. Lastly, the government will offer subsidies to domestic factories that utilize recycling and change the rules governing this. It will also detail a full R&D roadmap covering the use of substitutes and launch new rare earth R&D funding under its existing Innovation Fund. The government added that it will focus its policy capabilities to build a foundation across the entire rare earth supply chain with unwavering resolve, creating a robust industrial structure that remains steadfast even amid changes in the external environment. Jun-han, 아리랑뉴스.